Now it's between cylinders, so now the hand has to reach. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Open it. Now keep it right there. A little more. And look it right into the gun. Turn it. Just let go of it now. Just turn it, let go. There you go. Close. Good grip. There you go. Nice. So as you can see, you're going to learn a great deal of information in the Revolver class. A wise man once said that sometimes these classes are kind of like being fed information with a fire hose. Open. Okay. Turn it and just let go. There you go. Nice. Excellent. Very well done. The biggest problem that people have getting the cases out of the gun is what they'll do is they won't hold it open far enough. I keep my eyes and head up. I draw the gun like I normally do. I bring the gun up to eye level. But you'll learn some viable technique for handling and properly running a revolver for self-defense. They're a viable choice for self-defense.